and 7. There is a separation. There is a... Who is a pastor kwenu Matak? Who is a pastor? Ni nani pastor kwenu? Ama ni nani ako kwa kanisa sana? Mimi nilifungua. Sasa sikuwa nimewambia wote. 27 pia wewe. Nakupenda sana. Asanti, hata mimi nakupenda sana na mahadhato wa kuoi. Jeremiah 5:27. Why 27? Why 27? Why 27? Your sister is a pastor? Or is just... Okay. How do you relate with her? Do you know you are going to separate with your sister? You are going to separate with your sister. Because this is a separation. You are going to separate with your sister. How is your relationship? Could be both. How is your relationship with your sister? Because you are going to separate with your sister. You